Hi guys, in this video I will tell you the real way to earn money using ChatGPT. As you can see that the people create channels on YouTube and they are creating the videos of ChatGPT. So please download a screen recorder and create videos on ChatGPT. Tell the people that what you can do with ChatGPT. Okay, like you can do programming and give to people many ideas. Like you can see this is new channel and its video going viral and their channels going to be monetized, as you can see. So please download a screen recorder and start creating videos on ChatGPT. As you can see, this person is telling that how you can use ChatGPT to Excel, means how you can do Excel work using ChatGPT. It's uploaded 5 videos and his videos going viral. So it's a lesson for you that please create videos on ChatGPT. Your channel will be monetized and your videos will be viral. This is the only real way. You can see his videos going viral. Also this channel you can see, this is new channel and its videos going viral. So tell us the people, tell the people you can do programming you using C++ and tell the people that how they can use ChatGPT. So download a free screen recorder and record the videos of ChatGPT and upload on YouTube and get monetized. This is the only real way. Thanks guys.